Out here in Weeki Wachee, Brooksville, Florida, we're going to soft wash the screens, clean and seal all the pavers. This house has been sitting for many, many years, not being taken care of. Kind of hard to see that someone did attempt to clean the screens unsuccessfully. Maybe clean that guy up a little bit. (352-282-2886). Find us on the web at paverrestorationfl.com. We cleaned, sanded, sealed. We also soft wash the screens. Soft wash that thing right there. That's a shadow, that's not dirt. You can see how awesomely clean the rails are. No more mildewy, algae, any other contaminants. We already laid down 2 coats of sealer. We still have 1 more coat to do. See how nice and this looks. Look at the color coming out of these pavers. Freak. Awesome, awesome. All the way around. I might be going too quick. Nice and clean. Give us a call for all your brick paver cleaning, sealing needs, soft washing.